Here are my thoughts on the new Kobe 3 Low. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of collector finds. There are 3 colorways and the last one is the latest colorway. For the first colorway, this is the Pink Quartz colorway. At alam mo ba, ang Kobe 3, first time nila nag-release ng low cut version kasi before, puro high cut yun. And this time, ginawa na nilang premium. Paano? Dahil dito sa mga materials na ginamit. Like for example, dito sa tongue part, synthetic leather ito ang ginamit nila. And even dito sa may toe part. And the good thing about naman dito sa mid part niya, translucent rubber na yung ginamit. Kaya mas premium looking siya. And also dito naman sa mid part ng lace, mayroon siyang decorative metal na ginamit. And dito sa likod, yung swoosh, pink chrome, and merong maliit na Mamba logo sa ilalim. And for the outsole, translucent outsole rubber din. Kaya naman, very premium siya. Tapos, yung fit pala nito, ang ganda dito kasi mas malambot na siya gamitin dahil meron siyang padded inserts here. The best thing is, meron siyang free extra lace na isa, which is the color pink. Now, let's move on to the next colorway. This colorway is very special dahil tribute to sa anak ni Kobe na si Gigi, or also known as Mambasita. Kaya yung box na ginamit dito, all out sila. Kasi tingnan mo naman, may logo pa siya ni Mambasita and ni Kobe. Pati yung paper ginamit dito, gold siya with the logo of Mambasita. So, ang colorway na to is the Mambasita black and white colorway. Kaya kung makikita mo dito, premium talaga siya dahil black and white and may touch of gold. Dito, makikita mo sa tongue part niya, gold siya. Pati dito sa metal accessory. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung accessory. Lahat ng Mambasita lights may ganito. The Mambasita logo. Tapos, sa likod naman, kikita mo yan, GG. Tapos, hindi lang yan nandyan. Meron din dito sa likod ng tongue, GG. And also, yung number niya, which is the number 2. Tapos, meron ding extra laces. Pero yung laces na to, hindi siya ordinary laces. Ribbon type siya na nylon na parang pang babae talaga. So that's the colorway of the Mambasita. This latest colorway is inspired dun sa WNBA, or also known as Women's National Basketball Association. Ngayon, ang ginamit pala dito na material is same with Mambasita and Pink Quartz. And let me tell you why. Dito pa lang sa tongue part niya, saka sa toe part, same siya kay Mambasita na patent leather. Tapos dito naman sa mid part niya, same din, solid white. Now, yung pinagkaparehas naman nila ng Pink Quartz is yung translucent outsole dito. And yung uniqueness ng colorway na to is yung pink to white gradient type of color. Tapos yung likod pa niya, reflective chrome. Kaya pag tinamahan siya ng light, iba din yung magiging kulay niya. Tapos, ang pare-parehas dito sa lahat ng colorway is syempre meron siyang extra laces na kasama na for this is color of white. Now, what are your thoughts among those 3 colorways?